Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's tutorial is going to be how to do the extended triple crochet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. Normally when you make a triple crochet stitch, you will make 3 chains because of how tall it is, but because this is an extended version, I have made 4 chains on my hook already. So to begin, you would wrap the yarn around your hook twice. You're then going to insert the hook into the stitch that you would work. You're going to grab that yarn, you're going to pull it through the stitch, so you'll have 4 loops on your hook. You're then going to yarn over your hook and only pull through one of those loops. So you'll still have 4 loops on your hook. You're then going to yarn over, pull through only 2 loops. You're down to 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, down to 2 loops, yarn over, pull through those last 2 loops. And again, you're going to wrap your yarn twice around your hook to begin this stitch. Insert it into the stitch that you're going to work. Grab that yarn, pull it through that stitch. You should have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through only 1 loop. Still should have 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, down to 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, down to the last 2, yarn over, pull through those last 2. Again, we're going to start with the wrap twice, insert that hook into the stitch, grab that yarn from behind and pull it through so you have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Sorry about that. So you're going to grab that yarn, pull it through. You should have 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through 1. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through the last 2. Alright, so for the last one, yarn over, pull through 1 loop only, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through those last 2. This is going to be how the extended triple crochet stitch will look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please leave me any feedback on videos that you would like to see in the future. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and have a great day.